Alright, this is the Infinity Lock, which is a smooth shuttle lock. First thing you can do is unscrew the push button. Careful, because there's going to be a screw or a spring. Put that in there. Okay. Next we're going to do is this aluminum housing. We're going to unscrew that as well. Then what we're going to get is we're going to get a latching pin. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but there is a pointed end right here and then a lower end right there. Okay. Now when we stick it in to the side hole here, we want to make sure that this pointed end right here goes in first. Okay, that will allow it to retract. I have done before where I reversed it like this. It doesn't actually retract back, so when you put it together it will not release. The pin will still go down in, but it will not release so that it comes out. Okay, so again, make sure that this point is on the top. Okay, we'll put that in there. So we have our socket. The hole's open in the side hole. Again, this part right here, we will put that in so it's towards the top. We will then add in our housing. We'll be able to reel it in so far. I like to take my needle nose and do it the rest of the way. I'm then going to slide the pin, and then I'm going to screw in the push button. It takes a couple turns to get this in. Okay, it's in there pretty good. And then we should be good to go. Alright, this push button, if it's too long for you, you can cut it down. Okay, it looks like there's a couple notches in here. You can trim it down just about as far as you want, actually.